We're going to start by boiling our water for our pasta. Add a little salt, add a pat of butter. This will help the pasta from sticking to the pan. Due to placement of my camera, I had to move that to the other stovetop eye because now we're going to make the cheese sauce. Grab another pan, add a half a stick of butter, turn your stovetop eye on to low. When that melts, grab your flour and we are going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of flour to this butter. Add some milk. I didn't measure this, I never do, but at this point I have added about 4 to 5 cups of milk. I like pepper in my mac and cheese, but that's optional. You do you, but it is good. I have a 2-pound box of elbow macaroni and I am only going to use half of this box, so I used 1 pound. Let's add this to our boiling water in the other pot. Now you'll need some cheese and we are going to add, I think I counted 7 pieces to begin with. Then I added 5 more slices, so a total of 12 slices. If I were taking this dish to a family gathering, I would add more cheese. But we're eating this at home, and this is plenty of cheese. I'm going to add some more milk, and we are going to turn our stovetop eye on to medium. I did add a total of about 6 to 7 cups of milk. Giving this cheese sauce one last good stir before we get that pasta off the stovetop. Go ahead and rinse that pasta with some hot water. I rinse my pasta, my husband does not. Some people do, some people don't. But the way I see it, we're washing off those extra carbs. Go ahead and put the pasta into the cheese sauce. Now, this is going to look soupy. And you want it to because it makes it easier for that cheese sauce to get inside that pasta. Yum. And when this cools down, it does thicken. Give it a gentle stir. Your stovetop eye should be on low to medium. And we are actually going to let that cheese sauce cook into that pasta for about 5 minutes. Now take it off the stovetop eye, grab your casserole dish. I'm using 2 dishes as I have plans for the other dish. Now we're going to take some breadcrumbs and I make my own. I'll have to share that with you one day as well. But go ahead and sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top of this, or you could even do Ritz crackers or cheese. But I do like the breadcrumbs. Now put it in the oven on 350 degrees. Bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese starts bubbling around the edges. And voila! Look at this. This was so yummy. It always is. This is a great dish to take to family gatherings or potlucks.